So guys, welcome to Panorama. Ayan, Spring Resort. So our room here, that's it. And we're gonna use this card. Ayan. Alright, there we go. So Seb is inside. So it's like a condo type. So parang ano siya guys, more siya o cottage. Cottage yun siya. Ayan, very nice, relaxing. So that's the first room. Ayan. Ayan. Ang ganda ng ano niya guys. Vibe niya. So ito yung view here. Yan ang view. There you go. Alright. So moving forward guys. Ayan. Ito yung dining. Ang ganda ng lighting. Vintage. So second room here. I think this is the master bedroom. Nice paint. Ayan. So, ito yung view here. So, may mga, ano siya. May gondola dyan, makikita mo. Tapos, my small bridge. It's nice to walk outside. So, here. Ano ba to? Ito yung CR pala. So, muna yung CR. Naman tong lights. Mauna ni Ron. Okay. Cottage store. Kabaw. Asang nadade. Asa gawas. Amazing, guys. Mag-CR ka. So, i-on mo daan. I-fan. Nasa gawas. Very nice. Clean. Smells good. Attach na ang ano nila. Dryer. Very nice. May tub pa. Ayan. Next is this. May ano sila. Hindi ko alam paano ba ito. Open day. Ayan. Open na. So may deck sila guys. Ayan. Pwede ka dyan. Pero ngayon mainit kasi. So ayan. Ang ganda. So may TV sila. Ayan. Tapos may firewood wood. Tapos may couch sila dito. May little terrace din sila dito, guys. So let's open natin. Ito yung view here. This side. Ayan. So couch lamp. Ayan, ito yung view. That's it. It's our mini holiday in. Bye.